Ni urugamiriri wa bengi ya KCB uria riu waniririe uhoro mwega kuri ene shares na igithia riu bengi ino ikianira dividends ya muigana wa ciringi birioni 13 kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa bengi ino Paul Russo. Ene shares aya makwamukira dividends cia muigana wa ciringi 2 harĩ o share iria cioikaine ta interim dividends, undu mwe na ciringi 2 cia dividends ya mwanya ya ciringi 2 kumana na wendia wa bengi ya National Bank iria irari uramatini wa KCB.
Best Bank in Kenya by Global Excellence, World Business and Euro Money magazines. Best SME Bank in Kenya. Best CSR. Africa's fastest growing company. Financial Institution of the Year by AfriExim. 2025 African Banker of the Year.
You can see very good performance from most of our subsidiaries. I'll single out BPR because the last time I singled them out on the negative. Let me single out them out on the positive this time.
The global economy is projected to grow at about 3% in 2025, edging up to 3.1% in 2026.
Neo faida ya bengi ino thutha wa kurengwo igoti IKURITE na gicunji kia 8 harĩ igana kuma ciringi birioni 29.9 nginyagia ciringi birioni 32.3.
Our total income closed at just under 99 billion. That's a 4% year-on-year growth. Mostly driven by top line. So net interest income grew by about 2%, mostly out of volume in terms of, I talked to earlier about the loan, net loans growing year on year by about 6%.
We remain steadfast in supporting businesses, individuals, and communities, leveraging our expansive footprint across the region. During the period, the group maintained its solid asset growth, financing, and capital adequacy ratios.
Hidinyo riu bengi ino nirugoretie mutambo wa kiriu kana application ya KCB ya kuhuthika ni ya Kenya iriri no hoti wa guteithiriria muhuthiri wa bengi ya KCB kuhingura kana kuhuthira bengi ino ario hari ario na tagwikinyia bengi ni yothe.
It will be the first app where you can open an account end to end without stepping into a KCB branch. Our digital channels continue to offer unmatched convenience. 63% of volume through digital channels.
These indicators reflect the bank's flexibility and resilience to adapt to the ever-evolving environment in which we are operating.
Hadina Kameme TV, Retora Koni Bataru, Wamwagi.